welcome back to my channel, genelizq. I'm Stephanie, and today Ariana starts her first day in gymnastics, and I had to throw myself together, and I wanted to share it with you guys, how I get myself ready in a short amount of time, so keep watching. I'm gonna throw it up in a messy bun. Now this is my go-to when I'm in a rush, that I can just put all my hair up. Especially on the weekends when you're on the go with the kids. You don't have time, but you want to look put together. This is my go-to hairstyle on the weekend, either a bun or a slick back ponytail. The gel that I'm using in my hair is this one. It's the Eco Professional Style, and it has black castor and flaxseed oil. I like it because it toasts. It doesn't toast my hair, but it keeps everything in place. Wow. Also, it has good stuff for my hair. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the hair. Put on some Spray and Slay. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'll list the stuff in the description below. Just real quick. With my brush. And next I'm gonna be going in with my concealer. Cover up little dark circles. Awake. Powder underneath my eyes. Just set everything. And next I'm going to be applying some powder, pressed powder. I'm going to apply that over my eyes. Also, with the same contour, with my contour brush, I just want to at least contour my nose just a little bit. Just like that. I do want to apply some highlight just to have like a glow. Just want to add a little bit of color on my cheeks. And guys, for my lips, I'm just gonna apply more chapstick on my lips, and I'm gonna be applying some colored lip gloss.
Okay, so my mom's gonna get me ready for gymnastics, so she's gonna do my hair, and then I need to put some clothes on, and then we're gonna go to gymnastics. Ow! Squirt in my face!
So guys, for this look, I'm just gonna do a simple braid to the side.
Because when I'm in gymnastics, I can't do bun first of all.
Right.
Because all the pinches will fall out, and it'll hurt my head.
And pinches, she means hair accessories.
Yeah, like hair accessories and stuff. So I can't do
Or
a bun.
elastics.
I can't do a bun or a ponytail because I know that all the hair will go in my face. So a braid is a good choice.
So guys, what I'm doing here is I sectioned off the hair, and this is the amount of hair that I'm gonna use to braid it. I'm just gonna wet it.
This is my uniform that I'm going to be wearing for gymnastics.
And next I'm going to take the hair in the back. I'm going to spray it like this. And then I'm going to take some of the Eco Style gel. The one that has the black castor oil and the flaxseed oil. Just to make sure that her hair is kept in place. And I'm just gonna brush it in the back. And then I'm gonna throw it into a braid just to keep her hair all together.
The time that we have to go is 10:30.
So we might be there a little bit late.
That's when my gymnastics starts. We might be there a little bit late because I think it's 10:20 right now. As you know, I have bangs, but the bangs will just go in my face.
And that is it, you guys, for Ariana's gymnastic hairstyle. This is what it looks like. So yeah, guys, that's it for this look. Let me know if you like it. Comment down below. Make sure to share and make sure to subscribe. And until next time, mwah!